A calming boost. A gentle uplift. Quiet the senses with dōTERRA Adaptiv Capsules. Featuring safflower and saffron extract, with key essential oils and gamma-amino butyric acid, Adaptiv Capsules are formulated to support any sense of unease. Measured proportions of clinically researched botanicals and oils are sealed in capsule format, designed for immediate use. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to create synergy with plants known for their relaxing and calming properties. Whether it's a busy week or the rush of daily life, take a dōTERRA Adaptiv Capsule to help promote a sense of calm and positive feelings. When you need to still the noise, turn to Adaptiv Capsules to support your mood and improve your state of mind. Settle for nothing less than complete confidence and clarity with dōTERRA Adaptiv Capsules, a constant companion to create calm.